Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today we've got to do a few things out at the camp property. We need to refill the feeder. We still haven't installed the solar panel on for the battery, so we got to take care of that. We're going to top off the fish feeder too, so we can make sure they have plenty of fish, and just do a few other things. Carrie last night at around 10 o'clock started a pork shoulder, so it cooked all night on low. He just pulled it apart. Looks really good, so we'll have that a little bit later for lunch. We'll have some pulled pork sandwiches. So here in the hill country, we had some fireworks last night. They got postponed from the July 4th, just due to all that terrible flooding that happened up here. So we went and saw those last night, so that was kind of fun. Might stick in a little clip of those here as well. We gave away our rooster, the ones we hatched, I think 5 chickens earlier this spring. 4 of them ended up being hens, which is good, and there was 1 rooster. Since we already have a rooster, we didn't want to keep it, so it went to family here in the hill country as well. So just doing a few things around here. We're going to take you along. For those of you that aren't already, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would really help us out, so come along with us. Well, we just got out to the property, out to the camp property. Carrie's getting the skid steer. He's going to bring it over here. I didn't mention that we are going to switch out the card on the deer camera, or on the game camera. We bought some new game cameras. We've been having all kinds of issues with game cameras. They don't work very well. But I found these 2 that are solar powered. I don't have to put any batteries in them, but you can put batteries in for backup. And so far they've been working really well. There's a lot of different qualities about them I like. They're not sponsoring us or anything like that, but they're really nice. I'll have to show you what kind they are here after a while. We have one at the house and one out here. So I'm going to pull that card out, and if there's anything neat, I'll insert some clips on that. And then also tomorrow is opening day of dove season. So we may come back out tomorrow and do some dove hunting. I'm not sure if we'll put any of that in this video or not. Just depends on how it goes. But, and I don't think we're going to get up early or come out here real late. So we might not be hunting in the prime time. And I think we've got a little cold front supposed to be coming in. It's only around 80 right now, and I don't think it's supposed to get a whole lot higher. We've got some storm chances this afternoon. I think we're under a flood watch until tomorrow late. So we'll see. If it's raining, it may be washed out. Well, we're going to work on the solar panel first, and then we'll fill the feeder. Okay, I'm going to go get the ladder over here. You can see the deer have really knocked this high stuff down, which is good, because I did not want to walk through here a while back because you couldn't even see the ground. We were worried about snakes. Not a lot out here, but they're definitely out here. We got bees swarming everywhere. So here's actually the game camera we had last year, and it worked okay. Problem was, it took hundreds and hundreds of pictures of nothing but the wind blowing leaves or things, even set on not very sensitive. And it was one of the cellular ones where we got the photos to us, and it was eating it up because it was taking so many pictures of nothing. So now, here, let me walk over here and show you this one. Since I can actually see the ground and walk around in here now. This one over here, keep an eye on things. See this one right here, it's really nice because it's solar activated. You can put stuff in. You can actually view what the camera view is right here out in the field. So we're going to grab that before we leave. Actually, I'm going to turn it off right now. Let's see if it still has power. See, it's kind of cool. You can check things out. So right now it's showing full solar charge. The battery's on red. You can kind of see me. I'm talking. Hi. We've got 91 degrees Fahrenheit is what it's saying. It's a little warmer than I thought. And it's got some other information. So I'm going to turn it off so it doesn't keep videoing me while we're working out here. Okay, let me get the ladder over here and get this set up so we can do some work on the feeder.
Stick it right there.
Looks good to me.
Run the wire through there.
Okay.
Okay, can you get me a couple of screws?
Okay.
That driver that's in that bag.
Okay.
Well, we got our solar panel. We're just going to put it right there with a couple of self-tapping screws. Problem is we forgot the drill at home, not driver. So I think for now I can pull that screw out and just put it right there. Run our wire into here, and that'll work until we get our drill and do a little nicer job. But it'll get morning sun like that. Should help keep it charged.
Is it empty?
A little bit in there.
Okay.
Not much.
Good timing then.
Way down in the funnel. Okay, tape them up, put it together, and only time will tell if that panel's still good.
Mm-hmm. We had a bunch of ants and weevils getting our feed at home, and I don't know if the camera was just pointed in the right direction, but we just dumped it out here. There's some stuff over, oh, here we go. Old fish food, chicken corn, just miscellaneous feed. It was getting stinky and nasty with all the bugs in it. And Carrie's about to put a little bitty block we bought super cheap on sale a while back. It'll be gone fast, but something we can toss in for the deer. Okay, Carrie's heading over to knock down some tall stuff over around the pond so we can fill the fish feeder without having to walk through really high grass. We got some bees, big bumblebees, all around us. I think Carrie might have stirred up a nest when you moved some of this wood. I don't know. You know, those look more like beetles. Bumblebees, but there are a bunch of bumblebees and honeybees in here on these flowers. Okay, so let's head over to the fish feeder and get that taken care of. Oh, evil stickers. And this is why the girls are in the truck. So they got out here right now on this part of the pond. It would be bad. Lots of bumblebees over here too. See if I can not get stung. They're all over the place. grab the corn. Some pretty big catfish. Oh yeah, it's pulling apart.
I'm done. I'm waiting for this to cool off.
So you can take a bite of it
Yes.
after it cooked. So how is it?
It's good.
Okay.
I think it needs salt.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it needs salt. I mean, the recipe didn't call for any salt. Crazy.
Let me take a bite and I'll see.
Part, you know.
Yeah. Okay, we just got back from doing our work out at the camp property and we're gonna eat our pulled pork sandwiches. Everybody excited? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's say a blessing, okay? Well, the girls are getting one last swim in and then we're gonna take the swimming pool down because the cold front is on its way. I can see the big rainstorms on the radar. So y'all swim a few more minutes because it's already starting to drizzle.
Yes, ma'am.
I haven't gotten any lightning warnings yet, but you never know.
It's gonna be fun, fun, fun.
Just a few more minutes and we gotta go in.
The rest of the day is not going to be fun, fun, fun.
Let's see if we can find it. There it is. gosh, I got it, but who knows if I can find that. It was a long shot. Oh my gosh, let's see. Oh goodness. It's still moving, might have a chance finding it. Ooh, if it wasn't that tree, that's no. Okay, well, we finished up dove hunting. Just stayed probably an hour and a half, maybe a little bit more. Saw a few doves, ended up with 3. I think there's a 4th one out there somewhere, but I just couldn't find it. Carrie got a couple, and I got one that I kept. So it was just a nice weekend. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and hopefully we can bring you some more hunting videos, both dove and deer hunting, this fall and winter. Thanks for watching.